Check out this indicator here. If I put a bit of wrap over this, you can see almost as clear as day the Ford logo on there. Now you're not going to believe this. If I wanted to buy one of those indicators from Lamborghini, it would cost me £181.28p each. Those indicators are actually off a Mark 1 Ford Focus, and on eBay they are £6.90 for a pair. So there is so many different ways we can save money when rebuilding this thing. The only thing Lamborghini about this climate control is the badge. For a brand new one from Lamborghini, it's going to cost you £1,513.51p. But I'm not too worried if mine breaks, because this is a Rover 45, which uses the exact same climate control as a Lamborghini Murcielago. And one of them is only €24.20, around 20 quid. And they also use it in the Pagani Zonda. Millions of pounds worth of car. The more you know. I just built the fastest Lamborghini Gallardo.
No, you didn't.
Why?
Strapman has.
But mine's 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, but his is 1,300.
But mine spits flames.
Yeah, but his spit bigger flames.
But mine's twin turbo.
Yeah, but so is his, mate.
Mine's rear wheel drive.
Yeah, but his is 4-wheel drive. But